Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing the mouse bungee from Genesis. It's the Vanad 750. It has also an active USB 3.0 hub and a micro SD slot. Okay, it's an USB 3.0 USB hub. Okay, so when you open the box, first what you will find will be the bungee itself. It has a detachable cable holder and the bungee itself. The fact that the cable holder is detachable, that means that the bungee itself is it can be used as an USB 3.0 hub. Here on the back you have the USBs. Here is the actual power. You can externally power with a micro USB cable. If you're connecting more than one HDD, you will need auxiliary power. Here is the SD card reader, and here is the actual connection, the USB 3.0 to the computer. You're taking the bungee and putting it in. So this actually is the mouse bungee itself. I have inside the box, I will switch to the box itself. Inside the box you have some paperwork and the actual cable. Here is the cable. It's a standard USB 3.0 port. Here is the one sticking in which you will stick in the PC, and on the other side is 3.0, the micro USB 3.0. You're plugging it in. Okay. The bungee itself is very heavy, so you don't have to worry if you move the mouse a lot, it won't move. And you also have a peeling cover, and you can stick it to the table. For the review, I've also bring my Proteus Spectrum 502 from Logitech. As you can see, the cable fits perfectly, no problems there. Okay. So everything works fine. The bungee itself is very flexible, no tension to the cord, and the mouse feels pretty good with the bungee. Also, at this bungee you have a red LED which leads here, and the logo itself from Genesis. Next I will plug it in so you can see the colors of the hub. So I've connected the bungee, and you can see the red LED. It looks pretty neat, especially if you have a red and black theme. It looks pretty cool with the mouse itself. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like my channel, give it a like. See you next time. Have a nice day.